Hello, my name is Lizeth Benavides, and today I'm going to answer to the question, what are the advantages and disadvantages of using mathematics in economy? Well, first of all, I would like to tell you where can we see the use of mathematics in economy. We can find different files of mathematics here, like algebra, calculus, statistics, and with that we can find the total cost, the total revenue, the maximus and minimus, the derivatives of utility and cost functions, or the relation between variables and probability of an event. Okay, so let's start with some advantages of the use of mathematics in economy. Well, first we have La aplicación de las matemáticas en las ciencias sociales y su relación con la religión by Sebastian Rangel, where it says that mathematics is an abstraction of reality that allows us to get closer to understand reality. But we have to be careful in the indiscriminate way in which mathematics has been used until now. So it is an advantage, but we need to know how to use it. An example could be the economic models like the market balance. Another advantage from the text Sacar la cabeza por la ventana sobre la enseñanza de la economía, it says that the use of mathematics in economics favors the economist in the labor market because the labor market expects them or expects us to have these skills. For example, macroeconomics, microeconomics, econometrics, and finance. So to know all of these skills is essential in the labor market. Another advantage is that mathematics is a good tool for the search for knowledge, but it does not surpass dialectics where you can dialogue and discuss to find the truth. And dialectics is superior to mathematics. Okay, mathematics can facilitate the detection of some oral and written language problems, since they are considered a means to reach knowledge. For example, in the text Filosofía, Matemática y Paradojas, el caso de la paradoja Burali-Forti en la argumentación de Descartes sobre la existencia de Dios, mathematics facilitated Descartes' argument about the existence of good and the nature of error. Mathematics provides an exemplary model as it allows us avoiding mistakes with terms. Although there are philosophers like Leibniz who considered mathematics as the means to attain knowledge, but he also accepts as a rule to seek proof even of the axioms, which shows us that he does not trust the math blindly. The next one is that if economics models fail, they provide useful guidance for making better decisions. In Microeconomía y Conducta says that although they do not predict how to behave in reality, they provide us with useful ideas to achieve our goals efficiently. So in this chapter, it gives a monetary value to situations in which decisions are made to analyze which is the best option based on a cost-benefit analysis. For example, it mathematically analyzes whether he should ski or he should go to work, whether it is fair to change interest or not with the family, whether the leaves should be burned or taken to the forest. So in each of these situations, mathematics is used to identify which of the two options generates more benefits or less cost. Okay, so now let's see some disadvantages of the use of mathematics in economics. In the text called La aplicación de las matemáticas en las ciencias sociales con la religión by Sebastian Rangel, it says that we think about mathematics like religion, that it is far away from subjectivity and error. Therefore, mathematics represents reality, but ends by discovering a hypothetical world. So since economics is about people, it's hard to really understand our behavior based on math alone because we don't always act rationally. Another disadvantage is that it reduces the totality of the representations of the universe in files encompassable by their theories. Why? Because mathematics tries to homogenize and seek standardization of knowledge. For example, GDP tries to measure the development of a country, but it does not represent the true development itself. Yes? The next one is from the text Raíces entreveradas de la economía y la ecología, análisis etimológico de las palabras economía y ecología, where it says that etymologically economics represents good housekeeping, that the use of mathematics has focused economics on only studying the accumulation of capital at the microeconomic and microeconomic levels, and this has caused the economy to lose its fundamentals. The next one from the text Sacar la cabeza por la ventana sobre la enseñanza de la economía, it says that strengthening the quantitative part leaves aside criticize in economics and also forgets its character as a social science. We must know that dialectics is superior to mathematics, the means by which true knowledge can be reached. And we must understand that the mathematical process is nothing more than a mere approximation to the truth, but never the truth itself. So this bias can lead economists to believe that reality is what the models say, but reality is different. It's much more than an abstraction. And finally, patience and feelings pay the biases provided by rationality. In economics, human beings are the object of study. We are the object of study, so we do not always act rationally. For example, in the text Reconceptualizando la guerra sobre la impropiedad de usar sistemas formales sobre determinísticos racionales en el fenómeno del conflicto armado, the war is analyzed and tries to find a way to measure it. And although there were quantifiable aspects, there were others that were not. So it is not possible to represent reality. Here we have the documents from where I take the information. Finally, I would like to share with you a quote from Frederick van Hayek that says, "Indeed, the chief point was already seen by those remarkable anticipators of modern economics, the Spanish schoolmen of the 16th century, who emphasized that what they called Primum Mathematicum, the mathematical price, depended on so many particular circumstances that it could never be known to man, but was known only to good." So it says that mathematics can measure everything. For example, the last year with the COVID-19. So we have to know that. Yeah, it was all. Thank you for your attention. Bye.